Hey, fellow dads. The Christmas season is a time for joy, celebration, and spending money. But as dads, we know that budgets can be tight. So, how can we make the most of the holidays without breaking the bank? Here are some unique tips and strategies from a fellow dad. Don't cheat with your budget limit. Trust me, it's easy to get carried away with the holiday cheer and overspend, but stick to your budget no matter what. People love handmade gifts. Handmade gifts and experiences can be just as meaningful as store-bought presents, plus they're often more affordable. Gift shopping takes time. Do it timely. Don't wait until the last minute to scramble for presents. Start planning your gifts early. Shop around for deals and discounts. Don't just buy the first thing you see. Shop around for deals and discounts, both online and in stores. Be the cool dad and cook a meal. Eating out can be expensive. Save money by cooking your own Christmas meals. It's also a great way to spend time with family. Enjoy free holiday activities. Take your family to community events, parades, and light displays and enjoy Christmas without spending a dime. Involve your kids in the budgeting process. Teaching your kids about budgeting is a valuable life lesson. Involve them in the process and make sure it's fun for them. Encourage gratitude and appreciation. Help your kids focus on the true meaning of Christmas, which is about spending time with loved ones and appreciating the blessings in their lives.